Today was a good day. I earned $12.46 today. I transcribed 2 files. One was a 11 minutes file and the other one was a 14-minute file. And so now my total is $27.82. So I'm going to show you my projects. These are all the files that I've transcribed so far, and they all vary in lengths. Some were 2 minutes long, some were 5 minutes, some were 11 minutes. The longest file that I've transcribed so far, it was 14 minutes, and I did that today. And for this file I earned $7. I think it was around $5 or $7. So once I transcribed those 2 files today and I earned $12, the next thing that I did was I wanted to do my first blog post. So I have a blog where I summarize personal development books, and this is the first book that I plan on uploading to my YouTube channel and also to my blog. It's called How to Be a Badass by Jen Sincero, and I made some progress today. And this is the process that I use. I go to Google Documents. You just search out Google Docs, go to Google and you do that, and then you click on this Tools button and then you choose voice typing, and this window will pop up. This window that looks like a microphone. So you just click on the microphone, and this is how it looks when you click on it. This is an audio test. Testing 1 2, testing 1 2. This is an audio test. And so instead of typing out your blog, you can just use your voice and you can speak, and whatever you speak will be typed out onto the screen. It's a lot faster than typing, so I use this method. So once I did that, I copied all the text. And I pasted it into a Word document. As you can see here, this is the Word document with the text pasted. So this is my blog that I copied and pasted into Word, and it's still a work in progress. It's not quite finished yet. I'll probably do that tomorrow. And once I'm done with the blog post, the next step in the process is to make a whiteboard animation video, and the software that I'm using is Scribe. So I'll show you guys in the next video how I do my animation. But yeah, that was a good day today. A lot of progress that I made.